The Long Island Explorium is excited to kick off 2021 with our brand new yet time-tested program, STEM Wonder Lab. We have taken the best features of our live, hands-on, interactive STEM workshops and enhanced them with the practical convenience of at-home learning, using innovative STEM activities with all materials needed mailed to you in advance. Each month, we will explore a different STEM theme, and we kick off February's STEM Wonder Lab with physics. And guess what? Each month, you get to ask questions of real-life scientists and experts about the month's topic. Let's see what a few of the questions our young friends are looking to learn about physics.
Why does my hair stand up when I take off my sweater?
Oh, great question. So why does your hair stand on end sometimes after you take your sweater off? So I'm going to do a little demonstration of this, just showing you to remind you how this works. So if we have a couple of things rubbing together, for example, my hair and this balloon, the force between those objects is known as friction. That's probably something that you know. So there is a lot of friction happening between my hair and this balloon right now. So if we think about an atom, parts of an atom, around the edge of the atom are tiny, tiny electrons. Now we are talking so small. And these are reasonably loosely attached to those atoms. It is possible, if you have enough friction like this, to rip off electrons from atoms and move them from one place to another. So that's what's going on right now. My hair is stealing electrons from this balloon. So an electron is negatively charged. So if my hair ends up with lots of extra electrons because it's stolen them all from the balloon, it's going to end up with a negative charge. The balloon that has lost some of its negative charge is going to end up with a positive charge. Okay? So let's do a little demonstration of what happens when positive and negative come together. So can you see I am giving myself a glorious new hairstyle here. So wow, look at that fringe go. Okay, so positive and negative, as you can see, are attracting. And in fact, if I take this balloon away, can you see my hair, as it's left behind, I've given myself quite a nice new hairstyle here. It is standing up all over the place. Okay, so this is basically what's going on. We have got a positive and a negative, two oppositely charged objects, my hair and the balloon. And it's the same kind of thing as what goes on with magnets. So here we have got, it's not called positive and negative in this case, it is called a north pole and a south pole. But if you bring those two opposite poles together, boom, they're trapped. They pull each other together. So what happens? We do it the other way around. Now, I'm not miming this, and I am quite a strong person, but I literally cannot force those two to come together. They are really repelling each other. They are pushing each other apart. They are like, no, stay away from me. So two objects that are the same charge or the same pole of a magnet will repel. So this gives me another chance to just make myself a beautiful new hairstyle. Let's do it my fringe actually. That's going to look really great. So remember what I said, my hair has stolen the electrons from the balloon, so it ends up with a negative charge. Now when I take the balloon away, my hair is still going to have all of that extra charge. Okay, so each strand of my hair will be negatively charged. And remember what happened to the two same sides of the magnet? Did they like being near each other? No, they did not. So can you see my hair is doing the same thing? The hairs are all negatively charged, they are all the same charge, they do not like being near each other, and therefore at the moment I look a little bit like a fountain. All my hair is repelling from each other and spreading out around my head. Might stay like this now. I think this is my new hairstyle.